the online meeting room in Blackboard Collaborate. So on Blackboard, you need to find your own page and look for the module, which is Policy and Professional Practice. Click on that, and that takes you to the first page, which is the announcements page. On the left-hand side, you will see a list on the menu, and you need to look for the Online Meeting Room tab, which I've indicated here, and click on that. That then takes you to this page, and you will see listed the date of the session you need to join. So for the purposes of the forthcoming week, it's Saturday the 20th of March. So you click on that button there, and that takes you into another screen, which appears like this. You then click on the Join the Session tab, and that will take you directly into the meeting space. And you will see a screen like this. It may ask you the first time you enter to check your camera and your microphone, but after doing that you will see this screen, and with other people in the room you may be able to see them as well. But essentially the screen will look like this. You'll see on the bottom of the screen there are a number of controls, and this enables you to mute or unmute your microphone and the video, and also there's a tab if you wish to raise your hand, so if you've a question to ask or a point to make, then you can indicate by doing so. And then finally you will notice at the bottom right hand corner this little pink tab, and if you click on that, that opens another series of controls, and you will see the functions there. There's a chat, a participant, and a sharing controls facilities. So have a look at those, play around with them, and you'll soon see how it works. It's very intuitive. And that's it. So look forward to seeing you very soon. Bye for now.